Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me and the sidekicks for another video. I'm Laura, this is Zena, Wyatt's over here on Bug Patrol, and we are happy to be bringing you a Wantable unboxing today. You excited? Zena's only excited about BarkBox unboxings. But my Wantable came today. Can't wait to dig into this because my stylist Emma has been doing such an amazing job with my Wantables lately. So super excited to see what is inside my box. Wantable is a style box. If you're not familiar with it, Wantable does have several options. They do have a fitness subscription as well as a regular style box. And you get 7 pieces. If you pick 5 or more, you do get 20% off your entire order. And there's a $20 styling fee that does come off of anything that you keep. You do fill out a profile, and hopefully you get pieces that you love. So here is what my box looks like inside. And it looks like I have a fun bundle here. Let's look and see. Looks interesting. Definitely looks interesting, right? You do get a envelope to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep, and you get a little pamphlet that has notes from your stylist. The wind's kicking up. Notes from your stylist as well as a pricing sheet. So we'll go over that in just a little bit. But first, let's get to the stuff. It's been the oddest day. It was super cloudy this morning. Then it got really nice and hot. And the sun came out. And now it's getting cloudy again. It looks like it might rain. Alright, first up is something black by BB Dakota. Oh, this looks like a t-shirt dress. Yeah, this is by BB Dakota. Super stretchy, soft, just like t-shirt material. The cute little tie in the front. That's cute. I like it. Nice and easy, perfect for those virtual meetings, and nice and cozy also for a vacation. Packable, nice little dress. What is this one? I don't know. I think this is another little dress. Who is this one by? Skies Are Blue. This is cute too. This is another little t-shirt style dress with a little tie on the side. This one looks a little bit dressier. The material's a little thinner. It has a little tiny bit of a stripe in there. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's cute. I like it. Alright, we're starting off with 2 little dresses. What is this? Oh, this is a little Cami by Gentle Fawn. Has the little pleats in the front there. And this is a red, cream, and tan, and has like a little bit of a gray or blue in there. Does have adjustable straps. And I think that's kind of cute. We'll see what that looks like on. Alright, what's next here? Another top. This one's by Skies Are Blue, and this pretty corally color. Has the little pleating here on the sleeve. Little V-neck. And the print has like a tiny little, I think it's like a polka dot in the pattern. Not sure if that's coming up on camera or not. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's pretty. Alright, what is this? Is this a kimono? This is by Gentle Fawn also. I think this might be a kimono. Yes. This is cute. Looks sort of like a floral. Yeah, it's a floral print. Almost looks animal print, but it's not. If you look at it a little bit closer, it looks like a floral print. So it is open. Okay, so it's stitched. Yeah, so it has a little bit of a stitching. There's the armhole. There's the bottom. Has a little bit of tassel there on the bottom. That's cute. All right, Vigoss. I got Vigoss jean shorts. Those are cute. These are the Luxe Stretch. made with super soft stretch denim and provides exceptional recovery. Okay. And check out these jean shorts. These are awesome. They're longer, and this color, yes! They're like this beautiful, they're called turquoise color, and they're by Liverpool. Love, 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 love. Love this color. I hope this is showing up. These are awesome. They're called the Cruiser. So I love it. Beyond a Bermuda. This is a 12-inch inseam. It's a classic with a touch of cool. All right, we're going to see what these look like because I'm short. So we'll have to see if they're not too long, but hopefully if they are, I can cuff them. If not, I could cut them, right? All right, let's see what my stylist has to say. Says, hi Laura, I hope all is well. I'm so excited to style you today. All the new summer styles are flowing in, so I picked pieces that will look great on you. Whether you're enjoying the sun or hanging out at home, I hope you feel as good as you look. That's sweet. Thank you for your note. I've included more fun summer shorts and dresses that will be your go-to pieces for your wardrobe. The Sunrise Dress is the perfect little black dress for your wardrobe and can easily be dressed up or down. I also included some fun tanks, including the Julie Cami, which has adjustable straps so you can find the perfect fit. Be sure to let me know what you love and don't love. Happy to add more summer fashion to your next edit, Emma. Awesome. I'm excited. Let's do this try on. Yes. Okay, so I have the first outfit on, which is this fun little BB Dakota dress, and I put the kimono on over top of it so you guys could see what it looks like. So, and then I put some bright shoes just to liven it up a bit. Let's talk about this kimono first. So I like it, although I do think this one might be a little bit too big for me. It seems a little bit overwhelming in its just size. I know that's kind of typical for kimonos, but when it's really long and really wide, a lot of times it can feel a bit overwhelming. But you guys let me know what you think. I thought over the dress it might be cute as a layer. Here's what it looks like. It is cute, but it is really long on me, so it actually goes like past my knee. Okay, let's talk about the dress. So here is the dress. And it does have this tie belt, which I think is fun. I like doing it off to the side. It's in this fun stretch material, and I love that it's like wide at the bottom and not tight. It is short sleeve, and here's what it looks like. Man, let's hope the rain is coming. So it is just a fun take on a t-shirt dress. It is a little bit thicker, but not so thick that it wouldn't be the appropriate weight for this season, but has a little bit of substance to it. Get a little bit closer. I like the little tie belt. I like that it has room at the bottom. It's not tight. It's got some flow to it. The neckline is not too bad for me. It's down below where I would be comfortable. It's in a place where it would be comfortable. I like it. All right, let's do another outfit. Okay, so for the second outfit, I have on this blue dress. And this one is a thinner material, has more of a cap sleeve as opposed to a short sleeve, has this little tie here on the side as opposed to the full belt. It is a thinner material, has lots of room and stretch, which I love. You could easily wear heels or flip-flops with this, and it would be a great look. And I actually really like this one too. So here's what it looks like. Get a little bit closer just so you guys can see this fabric and a little bit of the striping going through it. It has a little bit of pulls from the gathering of pulling the little tie here. I think this one is a really pretty look also. This would be a nice under a blazer for work. All right, let's do another look. Okay, so next up are the shorts by Vigoss and this fun little cami. And this cami has all this fun pleating. I know it's wrinkled, but it feels like it sticks out a little bit when it hangs. You guys let me know what you think. But here's the look. So I do think the shorts feel wonderful on. They're super soft. They do fit really well. These are a little tighter around the thickest part of your leg, which isn't always my favorite. I like them when they have a little bit of of a looser fit. However, these aren't a bad short at all. They do have a longer inseam. They are stitched on this side, but not on the inside, which is a little bit odd. So I had to try to cuff that and get it right. So that might be a bother after you wash them. Here's a closer look at this cami. It does have the adjustable straps. And here's what I mean about it kind of like sticking out a little bit in the front. And you can't really do a front tuck because of all of the pleating. Then it really creates more of a balloon effect. All right, let's try the other top. So here is the other top, and I actually really like this one. It has a nice little V. It lays nice on the body. Has these fun little sleeves with the fun little pleating detail around it. Fits really well under the arm, and I really like this one. This you could tuck in, do a front tuck, wear it out, and I think that you could dress this up or wear it with cutoffs, and it will look really nice. So this one I really like. Yeah. This one's a fun one. Hopefully you guys can see. I know it's starting to get dark out here. I'm trying to get done before it might rain. But hopefully you can see that little pattern in here. But I think this one is pretty. Alright, and I think I just have those really cool shorts to show you. Alright guys, I have the last pair of shorts on, and I just threw on the t-shirt I had on to start this video since it was out, and a pair of flip-flops. First of all, how cool are these shorts? The color is amazing. However, they hit me at a really bad spot, right smack dab in the middle of my knee. So that's not going to fly. So let's try cupping them or rolling them and seeing if that doesn't look better. I actually think I might have to like snip them because I don't want them to become like super tight and look funky. But I do think I would have to at least bring them up that far because otherwise they're just basically pedal pushers. Get a little bit closer so you can see how fun this color is. But I also think by rolling them it just creates tightness around my leg where I don't want it. So I actually think I would have to take scissors to them if I keep them, to keep that a little bit loose around my leg. Here's what they look like. I think the color is fantastic, and I think I would probably cut them maybe right above this fold here. But I like them. I like the color of them. I think they're so pretty. Yeah. Alright guys, that's everything. Let's do a quick wrap up. I forgot to give you prices while I was trying them on. Okay, it got so dark since I've been out here, didn't it? Oh, I hope you guys can see everything in this video. So everything, all 7 items would be $367.99, which I didn't think was too bad. The 20% discount and my styling fee, and one of you used my referral link. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I also have a $25 credit, and all of that would bring all 7 pieces down to $249. Also not bad. That's actually not bad pricing for all 7 pieces. But let's talk through them. So first up is the Julie Cami in white wide stripe, it's called. That's this one, $49. What did you guys think of this one? I'm not sure I would reach for this one. I didn't think it was bad. I thought it was cute. I'm just not sure I would reach for it because I feel like it was sticking out in the stomach area. So you let me know what you thought, how that looked. The Cruiser 12-inch short in turquoise is what I have on, $79. Do you think these are worth keeping and like trimming? Let me know what you thought. I might have to wear them and think about it. The pleated shoulder detail top in coral, $50. I really liked this one. I thought this was a really pretty, bright, nice top for summer. So that one I'm thinking about keeping. The Heron kimono in ecru. This was only $39, but I thought maybe it was a little bit big. So the pricing isn't bad, but I thought maybe a little overwhelming. But let me know what you thought. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. The front tie dress in blue, I liked this. This is only $48. I thought it looked nice on. It was an easy outfit. You're ready in a second, right? Pull it right over your head, grab your favorite pair of silver sandals or whatever color you like, and you're ready to go. The Marley roll cuff short in blue wash. These are only $48. They're a great cutoff if you need a pair, and they felt wonderful on. And then the Sunrise Dress in black by BB Dakota, $54.99. Also not a bad price. I really like this one also. Another easy outfit. All right, so is there 5 items here? What do you think the keepers were? I think my favorites were the 2 dresses, and I love the color of these 12-inch shorts I have on right now. I'm just not sure if I can make them work for me because I feel like my legs are too short for them. Bummer, because I really love the color. So share with me. Let me know if you have 5 picks or if you just want to think that you have one favorite in here, or what you think the keepers are. I had fun with this box. I think Emma did a great job, which she has been consistently. She's been doing really great with my Wantables. I really enjoy this subscription. I will put my link below to Wantable in case you want to give it a try. I'll list all these items in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. And thanks so much for spending time with me and my sidekicks here. Sienna's here too. You just can't see her. She has decided to go out of camera range. Oh, I'm going to hurry up and wrap this up before the rain comes. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I so appreciate you spending time with us. Please hit that like. Please hit that subscribe. Would love you to hang out with us for the long haul. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys rock it. Until next time, bye everybody.